Hi folks, and welcome back again. This is exciting times. It's our first harvest today of our oyster mushrooms, and have a quick look. Oh. So we're going to do something different. Remember, there is a challenge on for somebody that comes up with something really out of the box, and I'm going to kick it off today. Once I harvest this, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be making. So I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting. Let's gently just wind it off, and that's it. Done and dusted. Ready for the next harvest out of that little box. Right, so what I'm going to be doing, folks, is I am going to be making us a fermented oyster mushroom, garlic and rosemary sauce. But we're going to do something a little bit different at the same time. I'm just giving this a rough chop and basically going to do the same as what we normally do with our fermented chili sauces. So there's really nothing fancy about it. It's a matter of putting it all into this bottle, our fermenting bottle, and I'm going to chop up this as well. I think it could work. And everything has been sterilized already, so there's nothing that can grow that shouldn't grow. Just going to give the garlic a little quick 1-2. And we're going to add a 3% salt brine. Just going to give it a little bit of a shake up and dissolve the salt there quickly for us. This is going to be something I've never tried before, so we're all learning at the same time. The mushroom growing has been really fun. It grows in front of your eyes. It's amazing to see how nature can create something so good and so quick and really nutritious, because this is like pure protein, so we're styling all the way. So now we're just going to fill up this bottle with our brine, and the same way as we did before, I'm going to put the little float on top there to keep it underneath the solution, so that we don't have any molding or something like that going on while we're fermenting this. I'm going to have a look at it after probably about a week, maybe longer, just depends on whether or not we've got a decent ferment that's happened. And then we're going to add some liquid smoke for a smoky taste. So maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. So it's all go or nothing. I'm still waiting to hear your guys' ideas. We've got a few that came in. There's some crackers. So yeah, let's come up with something really interesting. We're waiting for you. We are interested to see what ideas come up. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for us, and remember, make every day count.